Welcome to Yenway Cooking. Today we are going to cook Taiwanese braised pork. Boil a big pot of water. Add in about 2 tablespoons of salt. Now put in the pork belly to cook for about 30 minutes. While cooking the pork belly, we can prepare other ingredients. Let's prepare some garlic. I'm using about 5 cloves of garlic. You can slice or chop the garlic. Now let's slice the shallots. I use about 2 shallots. It depends on the size of the shallots. Thinly slice them. And now we're going to slice a thumb-sized ginger. I'm using about 3 stalks of green onion. After 30 minutes, let's take out the pork belly. Put it on the chopping board and let it cool for 10 minutes. Now let's slice it and cut it into small pieces. Keep about 500 milliliters of the water that you use to cook the pork belly. Pour in some oil in the pot. When it's heated, add in the shallots to fry it. Keep stirring the shallots while we are frying it. We have to fry it until it turns golden brown. Pour out the fried shallots and oil for later use. Put in about 2 tablespoons of shallots oil and now put in the ginger to fry until fragrant. At this time, you can add in some star anise to fry it. After star anise, you can add in garlic. Keep frying until it turns lightly brown. Now add in the cut pork belly. Stir fry a little until all of it is cooked. Add in a teaspoon of salt, about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of rice wine, a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Give it a stir, mix well. Now add in about a tablespoon of rock sugar. Keep stir frying until it's all well mixed. Now add in the water that we saved just now. You can always use normal water if you've forgotten to save up those broth. Mix well. Now put in the green onions on the top, as well as the fried shallots on the top. Cover it and cook for about 1 hour in low heat. After 1 hour, let's see how it looks. Wow, it looks amazing! This is the part to make it taste really good. I'll put in a tablespoon of peanut butter, mix well, and I cover it to cook for another 15 minutes. This is optional. I cook 4 hard-boiled eggs. Once those eggs are cooked, peel off the shell. Put them into the braised pork. Stir them around so the sauce can cover the whole egg. I like to cover it but cook for a little more. Now it's ready to eat. You can cook any veggie you like and put in a bowl of rice and then put the braised pork on top of it. Do not forget the braised egg as well. That's my favorite. And here's our Taiwanese braised pork rice. Hope you enjoy it.